This is tajamuladil. Today I'm talking about INKEE GC60, a new compact flashlight, 60 watt LED light that comes in two versions, daylight or bicolor. But I'm doing a review on Gold Crow daylight that comes with a 9600 mAh battery that runs 2 hours at maximum brightness. It's a compact lightweight LED light that only weighs 1 kilogram, making it your best travel companion because you don't have to carry around tons of equipment. A consistent improvement in LED technology has made LEDs more efficient. INKEE Gold Crow is not very expensive as it costs only $269. With a built-in battery, the Gold Crow is lightweight and portable light that can be used for a variety of effects. In comparison to other LED lights on the market, the Gold Crow looks quite unique. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. It's nice to be able to use Bowen mount accessories because the light is so small and you need to be careful while mounting the softbox. The INKEE Gold Crow comes with an LCD screen that displays clear and concise information about the light. Even though it's not particularly fancy, it certainly gets the job done. It is necessary to turn the large controls dial near the back of the light to make adjustments. Gold Crow daylight comes with the Bowen mode accessories, so let me show you what's inside the box. It's great to be able to install Bowen mount light modifiers with the built-in arms. Using Bowen mount softbox is easy if you follow these steps. A nice feature of Gold Crow that it comes with a built-in arm that can help you to attach any softbox easily. There are 3 arms, but 2 of them are essentially holding light modifiers. I would recommend attaching the light to the modifier instead of trying to attach the modifier to the light, since this is a little tricky. It would be very concerning if you try to run a lighting modifier that are too big or heavy and cause the arm to snap off. It has a good build quality and it packs a punch for its size. The buying price for Gold Crow Daylight is $269 and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in Pixel Bar LED light, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.